Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to start end-to-end encrypted chat on WhatsApp. In this updated guide, we will walk you through the steps to ensure that your conversations remain private and secure. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your mobile device and navigate to the chat screen. Select the contact you want to start an encrypted chat with. Step 2. Click on the contact's name at the top of the screen to open the contact info. Step 3. Scroll down to the Encryption section and verify that the encryption is enabled for this contact. You should see a message that says, "Messages to this chat," and calls are now secured with end-to-end encryption. Step 4. If the encryption is not enabled, you can send an invitation to the contact to start an encrypted chat. Simply click on Send Messages and select the option to send an invitation. Step 5. Once the contact accepts the invitation, the chat will be encrypted end-to-end, ensuring that only you and the recipient can read the messages. By following these simple steps, you can start an end-to-end encrypted chat on WhatsApp and protect your conversations from prying eyes. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and updates.